Welcome back to Prime Review USA. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about utility tractors in the sub-60 HP category, the Mahindra 575 DI XP+. Mahindra has earned a solid reputation for producing rugged, reliable, and performance-driven tractors. And this model continues that tradition with a few upgrades that farmers and landowners will certainly appreciate. Whether you're in agriculture, land maintenance, or looking for a multi-purpose utility tractor, the 575 DI XP+ has a lot going for it. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the engine. The Mahindra 575 DI XP+ comes equipped with a 4-cylinder 2979cc engine that delivers a solid 47 horsepower. That places it firmly in the medium-duty category, ideal for tillage, cultivation, haulage, and even light construction tasks. What makes this engine stand out is its ELS, or extra long stroke design. This means the engine is built for higher torque output at lower RPMs, translating into better fuel efficiency and the ability to handle tough conditions without stalling or overworking. It's not just about raw power, it's about usable power, and Mahindra nails it here. The transmission is an 8-forward, 2-reverse constant mesh gearbox, which offers smoother gear shifting and better operator control. Whether you're navigating through paddy fields, dry terrain, or pulling a trailer uphill, the transmission feels solid and responsive. It's mated with dual-acting clutch options which allow for independent control of the PTO and gearbox, a feature many experienced users will appreciate, especially when using PTO-driven equipment like rotavators, threshers, or water pumps. Now let's look at the lifting capacity. The 575 DI XP+ boasts a hydraulic lifting capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms. That's more than enough for a range of implements, from plows and harrows to heavier equipment like a seed drill or cultivator. The ADDC, that's automatic draft, and depth control system ensures that implements maintain consistent performance, adapting to the ground conditions in real time. This system not only improves efficiency, but also helps protect your tools and machinery from unnecessary stress or damage. In terms of design, Mahindra has stayed true to its rugged roots. The tractor has a sturdy build, a bold red finish with clean decals and a no-nonsense appeal. It's not flashy, but it communicates strength and reliability. The controls are ergonomically placed, and while the operator station isn't luxurious, it does provide decent comfort, especially with the optional power steering that makes maneuvering much easier, particularly for longer working hours. Fuel. Tank capacity is around 50 liters, which means you're getting a full day's work done without frequent refueling, especially when combined with the efficient fuel consumption of the XP+ engine. That's a big plus for users in remote or off-grid areas where fuel availability can be an issue. Maintenance-wise, Mahindra has kept things user-friendly. The air cleaner, radiator, and fuel filters are easily accessible, and the company has a wide service network, which makes after-sales support less of a worry for most buyers. On the road, the tractor handles well. Top speed on tarmac is decent. But as expected, it's not built for speed. It's built for stability and traction. On the field, the 575 DI XP+ shows its strength. It grips well, powers through difficult terrain, and provides enough draft power to keep operations smooth. The wheelbase is well proportioned, offering good ground clearance while maintaining balance. The tractor is available in both 2WD and 4WD options in some markets, and if you're dealing with hilly terrain or wet fields, the 4WD is definitely worth considering. Another aspect that makes the Mahindra 575 DI XP+ a practical buy is its compatibility with a wide range of implements. Whether you're running a baler, spraying system, or rotary tiller, the 575 handles them without bogging down. It's this versatility that makes it appealing not only to traditional farmers, but also to contractors, municipal workers, and rural entrepreneurs who need one tractor that can handle multiple jobs. One thing to be mindful of is the lack of advanced digital instrumentation. This tractor is built for durability, not digital flair. If you're looking for touchscreen displays or automated telemetry, you'll need to look higher up in Mahindra's portfolio or in premium tractors. But for users who prefer mechanical, reliability, and fewer electronics to fail in the field, this simplicity is actually a strength. In terms of pricing, the Mahindra 575 DIXP Plus offers excellent value. It comes in significantly lower than many imported brands, while matching or exceeding them in basic performance. Its strong resale value, low maintenance cost, and availability of spares further strengthen its market position. Mahindra also offers warranty packages that can add peace of mind for buyers thinking long-term. To sum it up, the Mahindra 575 DIXP Plus is a well-balanced, no-frills workhorse that delivers performance, durability, and efficiency. It's built to handle a wide variety of agricultural and utility tasks, making it a great choice for small to medium landowners, cooperatives, and even commercial users. It may not have all the bells and whistles of some high-end models, but what it lacks in polish, it makes up for with grit and reliability. If you're in the market for a dependable 47 HP tractor with real-world capabilities, this one definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Prime Review USA. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what tractor or machinery you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay strong, stay smart, and keep working efficiently.